Space is filled with planets so terrifying, humans wouldn't survive on them for even a single second. Some worlds are covered in oceans of lava, others are blasted by storms larger than Earth itself, and somewhere out there may even be planets wandering alone through complete darkness, completely unseen. But honestly, the terrifying part isn't just that these planets exist, it's that many of them are very real. And the deeper scientists look into space, the stranger the universe becomes. One of the most horrifying planets ever discovered is known as HD 189733b, and from a distance, it actually looks beautiful, deep blue, almost peaceful. But this planet is one of the deadliest places humanity has ever found, because on this world, scientists believe it literally rains glass sideways. Winds here move at over 5,000 miles per hour. That's over 6 times faster than the strongest tornadoes ever recorded on Earth. And somehow, that's only the beginning. Researchers believe the atmosphere is filled with silicate particles, meaning instead of water rain, massive storms of razor-sharp glass may rip sideways across the entire planet. And because this world orbits extremely close to its star, temperatures rise above 1700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt many metals. If a human somehow stood on this planet, the heat alone would kill them almost instantly. But the violent glass storms would make survival impossible anyway. And the strangest part? From space, HD 189733b still looks calm, beautiful, almost inviting. But in reality, it's one of the most violent planets ever discovered. And somehow, there are worlds that may be even worse. Some planets in the universe are so extreme, they barely even seem possible. One of them is known as WASP 76b, and this world is so hot, scientists believe metal actually vaporizes into the atmosphere. But somehow, it gets even stranger, because as temperatures cool on one side of the planet, that vapor may condense into molten iron rain, meaning on this world, it could literally rain liquid metal from the sky. And nearby, another terrifying planet, known as 55 Cancri, may be covered in oceans of lava. Temperatures there rise above 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt iron itself. And because this planet orbits extremely close to its star, one side may remain in constant daylight forever, while the other side stays trapped in endless darkness. Scientists believe volcanic eruptions there could dwarf anything ever seen on Earth, entire oceans of magma stretching across the planet's surface. And honestly, these worlds don't even feel real. They feel more like something from a nightmare. But somehow, the universe continues to reveal planets even stranger than these. Because somewhere in the darkness between stars, there may be planets wandering completely alone. Scientists call them rogue planets, worlds with no sun, no solar system, no light, just endless darkness. And honestly, that might be more terrifying than any storm or lava ocean, because rogue planets are incredibly difficult to detect, meaning one could potentially drift through our cosmic neighborhood without humanity even realizing it. And despite floating alone through frozen space, some scientists believe rogue planets may still contain internal heat beneath their surfaces, possibly hidden oceans, buried beneath layers of ice and darkness, entire worlds completely unseen. And researchers believe there could be billions of rogue planets drifting through the Milky Way right now. Billions, which means our galaxy may be filled with wandering planets humanity has never discovered. And the deeper scientists explore space, the more unsettling the universe becomes. Because every new discovery seems to reveal the same terrifying truth. The universe is far stranger and far more dangerous than we ever imagined. And honestly, we may have only discovered a tiny fraction of what's really out there.